It's a beautiful day to come and celebrate these amazing physicians, this amazing staff, and all of you.
Our vision early on was to create a state-of-the-art joint replacement program here in Nashville.
Everybody knows Nashville's getting pretty big. We're adjusting to that. We've had outreach clinics across the state really for years.
We've been guided by three simple principles that we follow. Cherish your patients, pursue excellence, measure your results.
We are constantly looking at ways that we can do this job better so that you can feel better faster and have the very best outcome.
I'm here today, a new woman, free from pain, back to hiking, chasing my grandkids, participating at the gym.
Joint replacement is a surgery that typically helps patients that are in pain or not able to perform and have the quality of life that they wish to have. And most of the time that works and patients get better.
I couldn't be prouder to work with these quality physicians and what they've been able to achieve, not just in Nashville, but in the world.
You know, in our group, we talk a lot about the things that drive us, but the reason we've been successful is because when we say we cherish the patient, it is what happens through every part of the journey.
So our philosophy has always been patient-centric, combined with collecting information so that we can continually improve the care that we deliver.
It's fun to celebrate the practice, and I think it's easy to say that it's the 7 doctors that are at the foundation of this, but it's really not. It takes an immense amount of people to make what we do so successful.